Exploring the world of augmented reality in social media. Title: Exploring the world of augmented reality in social media. Introduction. Social media has revolutionized the way people connect and interact with each other. With the rapid advancement of technology, augmented reality, AR, has emerged as an exciting addition to the social media landscape. This groundbreaking technology enhances our physical surroundings by overlaying digital information, giving rise to unique and immersive experiences. In this article, we will explore the world of augmented reality in social media, examining its potential, applications, and impact on the way we communicate and share experiences. Tech giants like Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have embedded our features into their platforms, creating innovative ways for users to interact with digital content in real-world settings. Enhanced visual experiences. AR in social media has introduced new possibilities for visual storytelling. Users can now seamlessly merge digital objects, filters, and effects with live video or images, enhancing their shareable content. Snapchat's popular face filters, which overlay digital masks or animated elements on users' faces, have transformed the way people express themselves online. They create a playful and interactive space, fostering user creativity and enabling self-expression in ways never seen before. Brand engagement and marketing. Augmented reality in social media has opened doors for brands to engage with their audience in immersive ways. By allowing users to virtually try on products, like cosmetics, clothing, or even furniture, social platforms are becoming gateways for virtual shopping experiences. This functionality not only empowers consumers to make informed purchase decisions but also provides brands with valuable data on user preferences and interests. Breaking barriers with AR filters. AR filters on platforms like Instagram have become a form of user-generated content, enabling everyone to spark creativity and engage with their audience. From creating personalized filters for special occasions to designing branded filters for businesses, it has become a powerful tool for self-expression and community building. Sharing experiences in real time. AR in social media has also revolutionized the way we share experiences and connect with others. With location-based AR filters, users can add context-specific overlays to their posts, making their content more localized and relevant. This aspect opens up possibilities for storytelling, tourism, and cultural engagement, creating immersive experiences that blur the line between the virtual and physical worlds. Educational applications. The potential of augmented reality in social media goes beyond entertainment and marketing. Educational institutions and organizations are leveraging AR to provide interactive learning experiences. Imagine a biology lesson where students can dissect and explore organs through AR simulations, or history lessons where historical sites come to life through virtual reconstructions. Augmented reality has the power to revolutionize traditional educational methods, fostering greater engagement and understanding. Challenges and future prospects. While augmented reality in social media holds immense potential, there are challenges that need to be addressed. Privacy concerns, the need for powerful devices to handle our content seamlessly, and ensuring inclusivity for users with disabilities are among the hurdles that require attention. Despite these challenges, the future prospects of augmented reality in social media are promising. As technology continues to advance, the integration of AR in social platforms will become more widespread. The creation of a seamless user experience, bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds, has the potential to transform social media into an even more immersive and interactive realm. Title: Exploring the World of Augmented Reality in Social Media. Introduction. Social media has completely revolutionized the way people connect and interact with one another. As technology advances, augmented reality, AR, has emerged as an exciting addition to the